My name is John Jerobe. There are various ways of how you can play a song. For instance, I have a friend who told me to show him how I was playing a song in the last video. The song was called Julieta Uko Wapi, and I was using a key of G. I was playing the song in a key of G. Now there are various versions of how you can play your G chord. For instance, there is this one, there is another one, this one, and there is this one. For me, I was using this version, and it was a combination of the key of G, C, and D. So the rhythm itself was a 1, 4, 1, 5. I was playing a rhythm of 1, 4, 5. So this is how I was playing the song, and we were with my friend. So I was playing the solo part, and my friend was playing the rhythm part. So the rhythm part was like this. Sorry for my vocals. I don't have some vocals, so my vocals are bad. So sorry for that. So the strumming pattern is like this. I am holding my G like this. The normal way of holding my G is like this. But I am adding my thumb to the lower string of E. So I hold my lower string in the third fret, 1, 2, 3, and then I hold my normal G like this. So when I am playing, I am plucking the G. Now when I am holding my D, I am holding like the normal C, and I am adding my pink finger on the G. I am not playing the higher E. So in this D, I play my D like this one, this way. It's a normal C, but I have my pink finger on the